Hey, what's going on? Mike Hobbs here with another prosperity tip. And I actually had a question from a lady, and she was asking me about customizing her blog. So, one of the things we were talking about was, well, should she customize her graphics and maybe buy like this big $1,000 package or branding package and just get everything customized to get things going? And she is pretty new in the industry. So the very first thing I said was absolutely not. In the very beginning, you don't have to have the fancy branding, the fancy graphics, and all those things. What you need to do is you need to focus on quality content and start putting that out there in the marketplace. So I don't know if you knew this, but YouTube is free, right? Or you could set up a basic WordPress blog, get it looking nice. And now these days there's really great themes to get started. You can get your blog looking nice. And in fact, there's a lot of blogs out there like Seth Godin, Neil Patel. A lot of those blogs, they're pretty basic. Like there's not a lot of graphics. It like says their name at the top, right? And they're pretty basic, but they're focused on the content. They're focused on the content. So what my advice is if the graphics or the $1,000 branding packages or whatever it may be is holding you back from taking any action, what I'd recommend you do is start up a basic blog, start posting content to it, and then when you start generating revenue or you start building a following and people start liking your content, they're going to subscribe to your list, they're going to subscribe to you, they're going to start following you once they like your content. From there, you can invest profits into upgrading your branding, right? And in fact, I believe the more money that you're making in the home business industry, or the profits that you're making, will actually not only pay for the added branding, but there's really nothing to brand until you have some kind of result anyway. So until you've been generating leads, or until you've been making money, or until you have some kind of result under your belt, you really shouldn't be branding yourself on the internet like as this big huge guru or whatever, right? In fact, I made over $100,000 in commissions on the internet before I put my header graphic on my blog, before I actually paid someone to do that. Well, most people, they try to start there, like at the end result. No, I made money first. I focused on content. I focused on videos. I focused on blogs. And then I eventually used profits to upgrade my branding package. So let me know your thoughts below. Do you think you should have a completely customized presence in the very beginning of your business, or do you agree with me? Let me know in the comments below. I appreciate you. And if you would like my daily action plan that I've actually proven to work for myself, that I've been using for actually been perfecting this daily action plan since 2007. It is now updated for today's market, and you can go over to 4gchecklist.com to download that 100% for free. And it's my exact daily action plan that I use to generate the results that I have in my business. So with that being said, appreciate you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.